Yes, good morning guys. Magandang umaga. Welcome to the iTerra Care family. Right now, ito I am blowing my water. I'm charging my water. Yes, we're using my iTerra Care Premium. Ayan siya guys, oh. So 1 liter 1 minute ang pagbo-blow po natin. So this is how I normally blow my water. This is what we are drinking, but for now I'll be using it for my plant. Yan, my agarwood plant, bukur. Yan, it's almost dying, so hopefully the iTerra Care charge water can help my plant to survive. Yan po siya. So 1 minute blow natin, tapos kukuha ako ng water para i-water yung plants natin. Oops, okay na, pwede na to. Konti lang naman tong water na binoblow ko. Ano siya? Okay. Ano ko lang ako. Gamit ko is My Dubai water. Ito po yung agarwood natin, yung Aquilaria malacensis. Hopefully nakita nyo po siya, kalbo na guys, kalbo na. So hopefully mag-grow siya using our charged water. So water ko po siya magmula dito sa stem. Yan, para ma-moisten natin siya. Yan. Ito po yung iTerra Care charged water natin guys. Oop. Tapos update ko po kayo kung ano yung nangyari with habang wina-water natin while we are watering it using the iTerra Care charged water. Hopefully ma-energize siya at ma-revive. Jesus name yan. Okay. That's it. How I water my Aquilaria malacensis. This is an agarwood plant. And hopefully tumubo siya. Thank you guys. Ayan, kalbong-kalbo na po ang aking agarwood. Sana magkaroon na po siya ng leaves at mabuhay po siya. So, update ko lang po kayo kung if ever kung ano nangyari sa ating agarwood. Thank you guys. God bless.